Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency again. So you can see a very important moment has happened. On euro currency, the breakout of the confidence support is 2150 area. That was not absolutely unexpected, because yesterday we have talked a lot about this and have brought a lot of details on this subject. You probably remember what we said yesterday about the United States bonds yield, the implied inflation, the highly saturated speculative long position on the euro currency and short position United States dollar, and all this press on the market right now. This is very important driving factors, because currently, guys, the geopolitical tensions, the China trade war have taken the back seat, and the economical factors again starts to come on the first stage. And here, guys, if we will take a look logical in this process, standing around the yields on the United States, I'm not sure that this is a classical example as it was within the decade. But this just kind of the passion in the minds of the investors, so it's just some habit. So when the yield of some major currency is rising, it means that it becomes more attractive, and it supports the national currency. So carry traders activated again, and so on. But with this all turmoil around this and a lot of noise in the mass media, it's really very rare person who asked the question why the yields is rising right now, why this happens. Because as I said yesterday, guys, I have some really doubts and really warning signs. Because if you'll take a look at the results of the bond auctions, United States, they show really much worse results as it was compared to a year ago. So demand on the United States bonds is decreasing. So a lot of different other moments appears that is not very good for United States dollar. And yes, from that point of view, it could be that yield is rising and currencies become more attractive, but whether it could be the sign of some collapse. So that's really of the weakness of the United States economy and too significant national debt burden, because the spending will increase if Fed Reserve or let's say the United States Treasury will not be able to issue the new debt to refinance the old debt. So that's what I have in mind concerning this yields topic in the United States. But currently, on the first stage of this process, when the yield is just starting to rise, this inspires investors, and they start to buy United States dollar, unwind the short positions United States dollar. And here you could see the result. What really is going on? So, guys, this could become the breakout of this triangle, could become the really very big journey, bearish journey for euro. I will give you the hint that a couple months ago, when we have talked about different scenarios of this retracement, we could say that could be minor retracement, or taking into consideration the strength of the resistance that we have on the monthly chart, this could become really more significant retracement. And if you remember, we have talked about this level, guys, 1550 area. On the daily chart, it's too extended. It's not really interesting right now. But in weekly research, we definitely will take a look at the far-going consequences of the process that we see right now. In the shorter-term perspective, guys, currently I think that we could keep an eye on the 1930, 1935. This will be next destination point with a possible drop. But today is Friday. Markets tend to be sold, and I do not see the big potential for dropping today. So if you will take a look at the follow time frame chart, here we have large ABCD pattern in progress, and OP target stands at 1275. So it's very close, just 20 pips lower. This will be the next destination point that market probably will reach by momentum. I don't know what data will be released today on the gross domestic product on the first quarter. So probably will bring some volatility if it will be very positive. In this case, maybe we will see stronger continuation, even further daily average sold. But if it will be flat or according to expectation, I think that market will hit the OP and will start coiling around 120.80, 121 area. Now the 121.50 will be major resistance, guys, because this is long-term consolidation on the daily chart. This is lower border of this consolidation, and also you can see monthly pivot support one that has been broken. And usually when some consolidation is broken, market prevents price to return back in this consolidation. So 21.50 will become the major resistance area. So that's trading plan for today. But in the longer term perspective, guys, it really could have more significant consequences for the euro right now.